Hey, me I put music now. Wow, now wow, now wow, now wow. Should I put it on private? Should I put it on private? Should I? Should I put it on private? Should I? Should I? So it's not just. Should I put it on private? Nika, how could you? How could you? Let me put music for. Hey, I don't know what they call that music. Oh. Monica, Emenuwe Uyoto. I beg Mona no verse I come back to line again. Emenuwe Uyoto. You know say they play that music that time. Uwe ma weme yoto or yori odo wai. So when I reach police station, I report a lolo. Eh? So Monica, you can't go police. You have the guts. You have the audacity to go police station, go report Lolo. Ah, Monica, you are wicked. Monica, you are wicked. So you know if you fight your fight again. You know if you fight your fight again. So now police people now you can't go give. Una mu gavo lakba. And you they claim the boss last night, yesterday, you come more, you go meet police people. You say na lolo na share your video. Na lolo video you. A police in a who they drive you. They just they drive you, they come. You go report to police so that you go tire. You go tire. I mean social media. Oh boy, that way. I come my house and they say, beg. If you like, no beg. If you like, beg. That one are your head dick. That one are your head dick. So this woman, you can't come on, you go report Lolo for station, say na you share your video, you go they cry for there. And you go come and they deceive your followers, say you be the boss. You go they deceive, they say you be the boss. And you go they cry, meet police. Say na Lolo na you carry your video, give come out, and you deny, say no be you. Drunk and adulterous. Now you be drunk and adulterous. Now you be. May you no worry. Your video will soon fall like us now. May you no worry. So that you will just see big one go give a hey darling. So see, I don't know. Monica just come mad. They toss in at the but whereas he can't cry, go meet police. Eh? So Monica, you go cry, go meet police, go report Lolo. Upon everything when you do to people, nobody don't report you to police. Lolo, no, if you get hand, get you for inside, you go, you carry your most best friend, you go tell police, say, now Lolo, now you bring your drunk video come out. Lolo, no, if you get that video. That video don't deal with us the day when you even drink that drink. Drunk. You come and you deny, say, no, be you did that video. Why you go meet police? Why you go, they cry for police station? Say, Lolo, share your drunk video. Whereas Lolo no even get that video. When you know, say, now you did that video, why? Hey, God, this one go let your viewers know, say you did deceive them for real. You come out for that video, you say, not be you, not be did that video. Why did you go to police station? Why did you go to police station to report? Why you go police? If not be you did that video, if not be you did that drunk video, why you go? Why you imagine woman when you get children to take you off? You drink like that. You drink like that, you use drink, they finish your body to the essence. You can't use your head, they open, sorry guys, you can't use your head, they open grave. Una you where you care where you mean. Monica, una want you to the essence, when I you where you care where you mean. Una de gogo. Or send a government here, a government, a police in a video, ni a me woman, because you don't deserve them. What it bow here? Drunk. Drunk. You as a mother, you go get some drink, you go get picking for a get where you go drink, you go stop. Una want you to the essence, una you where you be where you mean. Na de you dere. A video read like that, now you quickly run to the police station to report. This is you, una ladien, una do a deceive ave useless non-entity we followers, una atamia we e worry video ni. Whether we na pa we na ya report it. Oh my God. Monica, mwegbe, because the ones we want fall out, only a no. The ones we want fall out, mwegbe police station, you just, this one a small one, just ready, because the ones we want fall out now, where is the police station, one a big war, because again, una bello or makwa, or na rien de, e kona rien de, iwe ya segbe e kieruwa, la all deladien, everything will fall out. Yes. One will be police station, where is the police station, where is the police station, one a big war. One man will remark beko, even we bully ever say. As you bully people this for social media, who don't go report you to police? You drunkard. You use peace, stay sway body, smelling dirty thing. Smelling dirty thing. Mwe video ni nou ya my police. Di ya mie womo. Mwe gu ya junu ya tamiya. You just mad go te de. Ube ate monene video mumanya. You go for carry that video. You go show police. Say now this video. Now my friend share. Whereas a lot of share video ni. Make you see whether social no carry picking for your or just then for your hand. No, I dey vex. Police come chase am away. They say go. Now social media now the thing for happen. And there now for settle one. Shame on you, Monica. Police drive you come up for station. You know they shame. You know they shame. If na me be lolo, since na the same country with them, if you many ya gbalo for spoiling my name, I go make sure say I go use and take gbalo your passport in we me de dem de. E dimo e lolo, iwe ya ijeme nan we na de measure any me police station na bo police na we more public na we ya gbalo e ya ri ogwezo ya gbalo I go make sure say passport in take and we me useless woman drunk. Walk by adulterous, sleeping or is flirting around. Walk by drunk. O ma tami me we e Monica or wanyo me do oh my God. Do you know when you pay me pass? Now when she come and deny, say no be she did that video. Make her followers come here. Make them come here, come tell me, say, why Monica go police station if no be she really did that video? Mona see the kind people, the kind person woman they follow. If I they follow person I see and that kind way, like I go delete her. See the kind human being one they follow. Woman when get 3 children for us, he drink to the head, he drink so he can't they use the head they open grave. Ona ajun when ya care when you la. And on avait là, they still get the audacity, on avait the time where your video ni. As Monica off video na arrière police station, on a ya avie. Police, Mona help me, oh. Police, my best friend, he come my house, he come video. What's the woman I win any video my police? Make we see whether your children go sit there with you. Monica get where I'm move. Monica they shame. Monica, they shame married woman when you get picking, you drink to that extent. You drink to that extent. Na your big baby. Ekeru wala wa mwegbe because I wa gbele la dian. I said respect this one now when they don't go police station. This one a small one. The ones when go come ma Monica data pia. Apia buy because we are going to have a movie trade, man. Yeah, that way you what that at a pepper. be fake life oma be sewe una wanyo to the essence una your big be una your big be elolo no eko to tore una bwe avolakba oge sekena lo avolakba una avie una atamia we i share my video elolo share video we elolo share video we a eyan we na ti gbe ami as you don't bully people rich one more eke destiny ladian ama rie we negian ama report we ma olakpa na they don't carry your own come out now we asu so we azen o da o magi yere no gbele amo we ladian o hian gbegbo a opa eri ladian na o una ri owo lakpa opa eri ladian na only one now they don't bring come out now you run go police station. Me, I even come out this morning, come they do video say, just come beg so that they go for you. Not knowing that you don't run, go police station. A police in na jawe, they drive you because I have a police in a bawe. You wait dirty me lolo. Oh God, dirty me lolo when we man every man no we me dirty me lolo No when ya mention any many they put die police and ya tori. A passport in we me gele yemeni ya gbalo we aje court. Ye court you will pay dearly. No way at me police where more a picture ni a video ni like that you will pay dearly a passport in working you. Imagine a Monica bully myself social media. Monica still have the guts, the audacity on a police station that you report that innocent woman. And you are there deceiving your so-called useless team. What's the nigga donate with your mind and I happy where? Did you tell them how you cried throughout last night? Did you tell them? Did you tell them you nearly kill yourself with alcohol? Did you tell them you were soaked throughout last night? You drunk? Yes, Monica go police station. You can go report Lolo. He go report Lolo. Say that video when for they drunk. Send a lot of video in. Imagine person when you get children for house. 3 good children, male and female. She drink to the extent of using her head to open. Open grave. Monica use her head. He drink to the extent. Can't use his head. They open doors of all the batting when they this way. Use the head. They open. Ona Monica, why you go report Lolo for police station? Why? What did she do you? Oh, we was say first you know. She said she don't go do friend again now by force. Now by force to keep friend. Oh, we be regret it. She's not regretting it. She regret ever knowing somebody like you, a drunk, a flirt, a cheat, a adulterous woman, sleeping with people's husbands. Monica odanyo diku. Jemi ya mi agele we mi anyo ni yen gele ri oboba e. Monica odanyo, you may know say you get heart problem na wan your bai. She fear no let her show police the video. On ama get my a police here. Fear no let Monica carry the video show police. Make police see say this woman when they drunk like this, he get children for her. So one get my police. A police in a shy, police in a where police drive and say, get out of this place. If you have no evidence, because if we have more ben or ya more la dire. If we have more. Be no ya mwe la dia o ma me police ye we na mwe and Monica na be la dia do ta me ave just less etimo ge we eyan ga re video ni de no na ari station na ya avie be na bi gwe yo to na avie e police na jai Monica, why you go report Lolo for police station? Say na him bring that your video when you for peace for body, they shit for body, make peace kill you, make alcohol kill you. A woman with 3 children, you use alcohol, they soak your body, soak your body, soak your body, and you come and you deny that video. Una rule, una boy, una boy. A Lolo magbe, Lolo too good, eh? If to say Lolo na evil person as you talk am, eh? When they measure any my police na juweni. Or you want a lawyer yo, eh? Or you get a fire, eh? A passport in wete gwaloni. A passport in wete gwaloni. Why will Monica go and report Lolo? Why will she go to station? Why will she go to the police? Upon all the tea, police can't drive her. Police can't ask and say, where the evidence? Say, nah, Lolo really post that video. She can't be ashamed. She not let her bring her come out. Because if police see that video, the first thing when they go do now to collect her children. So Monica know the repercussion of that getting drawn to that extent in Europe. The first thing they will do is to collect your children. So with the shame, like police say, if you not get evidence, and na social media name for happen. Na social media name for happen. Lolo dey YouTube, but she's not even after Monica. She don't even know. Lolo don't even know that person like Monica there exists for this life again. You don't even know if Monica they even there's. No, you know say your English now. See, yes, I understand. Monica, Melissa, you know say your English now na hip hop in that na first class English. So now this my own, now Monica they understand well. Now this my English. Now this my English. Now Monica they understand well. So you go still bring them to the high class. So maybe they do low class. Oh, Monica, I say when I go meet you so you go find that you no go see. You go find the police you no go see because you're ready because the ones when you want fall out who go hire the police you will who you are. Ya told Lolo have moved on. Monica do the same. Instead of you reporting to police, say Monica, Lolo no want you again. Don't be Lolo share that video. You don't even know your enemy. When you don't even know people when they deal with you. I say, I beg my sister, come mad. May you can't tell, what did they call her? When you can't tell Monica's useless non-entity team. Say how their madam take go police station, go they cry. When police come tell and say, bring the video out. If police see, in a social media video ni Monica, they chop at the down for your head. They social media a video ni a move we're losing. And I'm sure your children will be very happy to lose you. Yes, because you are a disgrace. May I still reserve some? Egbe no muwe na. Egbe no wa muwe na na so your useless babo no matter where ye kenenemi na so they go push you. They go push you to destruction. Now what I just come to be that say Monica get ready because that police you go so tell you go tie you will Aje police station egbe war why is there police station one my people why agree o when the Monica bully myself a social media I am your ma no ya reporter yeah I am your man no ya reporting here error she just drink. She used drink. Imagine, Mona Weto, imagine, we all know Ambrose as Igbo smoker. Yes. We already know Ambrose have problem of Igbo. But come carry those children, they get Igbo smoker as their father. Come get a drunk as their mother. How you expect make those children life be? When pikin dey grow up, e get father as Igbo smoker, and they get mother as a drunk. And you are saying you have the best children. How come? How come? Where for they happen? When a drunk and Igbo smoker give birth to children, and government, if they leave them for, they go condemn those children. A drunk and Igbo smoker. As a parent, Monica children, they have Igbo smoker and a drunk. Tell me, if person go prove that one to police, whether they no go collect their children. Monica, if you say make they take the matter to police level, you will just lose everything. You will lose your children to government. You will also lose the chances of getting your passport. So you will be the one to lose. Lolo is a responsible mother. She did there. She dey look her children like say na egg gold which na wetin dey beat am be that. But you go drink sotey, you go come think of Eruwala, you go come think of Papa Frank, you go come think of Ere Saga. Only you go come think of the gossip wey you wan come do for social media. You go come still drink drainer, and you get Ambrose as Igbo smoker. You just dey useless those children life. Monica, cover your face with shame. The shame. People when near you, they shame. You come out yesterday, they form boss. Say he get one video when I for see. He say he team no ask am secret when he have a violin when he a audio. Dem na audio yi. When you carry lolo piki come out una gbele, lolo maje police station. O make Destiny la duna gbele, Destiny maje police station. Una treti isoko wo ogwan video no ya u gbele kwa, iya maje police station. Una mosegere, una zanzanwa, iya maje police station. Una mo odafe bi ambire, una kaneve no veno geya veno gbe aya geya bi, iya maje police station. Name it. Una mo agamie ya we fere despite that one still dey useless. He's not just my type. Una zanzanwa on imaje police station. Tell me, Estelle is the same thing. I mean, where Gladys Amadie, a woman near that de no ga avie we puma. Iga aviene. A woman in a avie despite say on avie. They were na gogo on imaje police station. On imaje police station then ogis wegbena. When na rulona at the police station. Oma, he say Nika and Melissa handle Melissa take over. Take over, use your grammar. Say me I no get her for all those drama. Now the way I just face still talk so now still talking because say illiterate na many pass for the social media. The literate ones, they are just few, very few. Very few. This is just the beginning. Monica Wari say station when you are here no ban we no ba. You special no ba because you are going to become their personal customer because who we are at who we are at Lolo have moved on. Monica do the same. Lolo don't go. You know get they use person like you do. You does be a drunk. Iwe iga mama no ye ne Monica. O ize wanyo wia. To the essence she go dey smell. Again one day, I mean, waiting. I said when I see this Monica video yesterday, when I see this Monica video yesterday, say and she just dey drunk, no, the thing touched me because I was having one useless friend like that. She go drink sote to the essence, she go even forget say she born. Could you believe me? Say one day I dey house. Now story I dey tell now. One day I dey house. This my friend Piki just call me. He say auntie come o. So I come. Wetin happen? He say no wetin dey do him mama o. I got there. No. If you see this woman, I use drink take spoil body. This innocent boy, 10 years old boy, they try. This innocent boy of 10 years, he dey draw him mama. The pikin dey cry. Thank God say they always dey get a house key. If not that for not fit open door because she even lock the door. I come, wetin dey happen? I come carry this girl, come dey pour am water. I carry that baby go my house, go sleep the other day. So I'm a guest of mothers being drunk. That small pikin, he cried that day. He said, no, you don't want to see mama again. I come say, I beg. She's still your mother. But see the way Monica take use drink spoil herself. If anywhere when she reach, she go all one to the essence. Your boy, that way they are not selling one. Now, wetin make her friendship with Lolo even last like that? Anywhere when she go, she will go one disgrace herself. Now that one make her they say, Lolo take bemu. Because he know herself on enegbe. Everybody cannot be a dustbin like you. On enegbe. Lolo wa enegbe. Mwegbe nanti week this one mwegbe. One mwegbe. Have you noticed that everything Monica was using to manipulate her team, those things are not happening in her life? One, she talk of when Mopanya Agume Simi. Una still remember concerning Ambrose, but Ambrose now of your boy ori lalo. Wa balukunwe, but today she dey drink kunkun. Iwi atore de lolo ve ema nibe do ati Ambrose when you even call Ambrose say your wife he dey die dey go because of social media ma e Monica ma ona dona de Monica te we mi wa na mwe emi wa mi Monica ona ye na ugi agbe patient. Otewu. Inya save inya we klisi nena. No. Oboava. Monica Melissa take over. La will take over. Just inform us when you dey come line. Make it team come chop their sheets. My leader can never be a drunk. I no fit follow drunk. I no fit take drunk as my leader. I can never take a drunk as my leader. So una when still take Monica as una leader, una dey follow drunk, adulterous, liar, manipulator, everything. Melissa, take over. Take over. We dey here. We dey wait. Mwegbe station, if not tomorrow, I'll be next tomorrow. If not tomorrow, I'll be next tomorrow. Mwegbe station because it go hot. It go hot for your head. If I say we no mind, when this fight go finish, we go leave Facebook. Everybody go leave Facebook, enter house. Or Pona if for water, everybody go leave Facebook, go enter house. Yes, the queen of all cats. He winner. Okay, I better take 5, my sister. Take 5. May you they use your English, may I they use my broken. Yeah, I'll they broken. I go dey broke am. I go dey broke the English. Okay? Okay, now Mona take care. Abeg Monica still Mona ask Monica why if not being that this thing. In fact, I want go reshare the video again. Give me a way the big guy. I want share her entire again. Idiot, drunkard, adulterous woman, cheat, smelling thing. Mona take care. Ciao.